Well, folks, it is a severe weather alert day for all of East Texas. We do have these showers and thunderstorms that continue to become a little more robust as they move from southwest to northeast. Just a couple of areas I'm a little concerned with. First and foremost, we don't have any severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings in our area as of right now. But to the north, some showers and thunderstorms moving through parts of Upshur into extreme southeastern Morris and then into southwestern Cass County. We'll go ahead and zoom in on this storm first, and as you can see, a lot of lightning associated with the storm over Gilmer and Sand Hill and Grayston, Old Diana, Ore City included in this. But as we look at our rotation detector, I'm not really seeing anything that would warrant any type of warning. Very, very broad rotation in the mid-levels. Other than that, we're not dealing with much there. A little further off to the south and to the southeast, Smith County, we've really seen the rainfall ramp up. And one very low concern of mine is the threat of flash flooding. If we see storm after storm, like some locations have already seen today, we could see a flash flood threat emerge, but that is just not in the cards right now as we continue to see some heavy rain from White House to Blackjack to Chapel Hill, and this will continue to push off to the north and to the northeast. But we zoom out, we'll give you a wide view of what's happening. First and foremost, we had those showers and thunderstorms off to the west earlier this morning, and that brought some severe weather to parts of the Metroplex. Multiple tornado touchdowns were reported. We also had a tornado touchdown in Lamar County and then out to the west of the Metroplex in Decatur, but that has not yet materialized over East Texas, which is certainly some good news. But no severe weather right now. That is expected to change as we move into the afternoon. Temperature-wise, we're already in the lower 70s for a large swath of the area, and it looks like they've got a wall cloud reported in, where is that, Gilmer, Upshur County. Okay, so east-south, 7 miles east-southeast of Gilmer. We'll go ahead and look at that real quick, and that is east-southeast of Gilmer. Reading off, so that is something we'll have to keep an eye on, and if there is a warning issued, we'll hop on that. But let's go ahead and look at your temperatures, and we'll talk about, you know, the various factors of why we're under a severe weather alert day and why we expect the severe weather to get worse than what it already is. Here are your temperatures. This is adding potential energy to the atmosphere, and that increases our instability because we have those temperatures in the lower 70s. I mean, look at this. Nacogdoches is at 73 degrees. It's 70 in Henderson. We're at 69 in Longview. Folks, that's very warm for this time of year. And the warmer the temperatures we see, the more severe our weather is going to be. But through 1 or 1:30 this afternoon, we continue to see those showers and thunderstorms about where they are right now. But by 2 o'clock, most of this activity is sliding off to the east. And then as we move into about 3 o'clock, notice how the storms become a little more severe as they push off to the east. Those showers and thunderstorms will continue to move into Louisiana. By 5 o'clock, this is mainly a deep East Texas threat. And then as we move into about 6, 7 o'clock, that is when we're going to start to see our threat come to an end, and this becomes more of a Louisiana and Arkansas threat. That being said, we could still see some heavy rain in deep East Texas through about 8, maybe even 9 o'clock tonight. So storm time arrivals now until about 2 o'clock for our western counties. I think our far western counties we can give an all clear to the threat of severe weather, but from 1 to 5, our central counties, that's going to be the main time frame for you guys. So now until 5, and then for deep East Texas, it's mainly a 4 to 8 o'clock event, especially for our far southeastern counties. We are under an enhanced risk of severe weather, so that tornado and damaging wind threat is on the higher side. We are at a medium ranking, which is pretty high for that tornado threat. And then the large hail and flash flooding threat, those are secondary threats, but they're very real, especially if we do start to see those individual cells form. That will increase the large hail threat. It will also increase the flash flooding threat if we get one storm in one location after another. And it gets much colder. Look at this, folks. 50s Thursday, Friday. We may not get out of the 50s tomorrow as well, and then 40s to the 50s Saturday and Sunday. We'll be keeping you updated.